Hey everyone, it's Kim, the Homeschooling Grammy, and today I'm going to do an Usborne unboxing. So stick around and we will get started. Okay, so here is the box. And normally, I probably wouldn't order new books from Usborne, but this was a special occasion. My daughter is soon to have baby number 3, grandbaby number 6 for us, and it's our first grandson. Yay! I'm so excited. So, a friend of hers wanted to throw her an Usborne baby book party type thing, and so you could either order books for the baby, or you could order books for yourself, or whatever, in my case for my grandchild, for Hope, and either way she can like earn free books for her family and for the new baby and whatnot, or whatever. And I decided to order some books for our homeschool because she would still get points to get free books, and because I had already gotten a bunch of stuff for the baby. And yeah, so anyways, let's get to opening up this box. So I got the box all popped open here. I'm excited. Like a kid at Christmas time, right? I don't exactly remember what I ordered. I had a hard time choosing because, I had to like be careful. Because Usborne is a little pricey. Okay, so the first thing that I ordered, because Hope has been obsessed with learning how to play chess and playing chess, so I thought this would be super fun. The Usborne chess book. How cool is that? So it just gives you all kinds of know-how on how to play chess. So I think she's really going to like this, and I'm trying to decide. I think I might put it away and save it for Easter. So I'm not talking very loud because she's just in the other room. Okay, so the next thing that I grabbed is, sorry, this will be an awesome book. I'm excited. And I think we're going to incorporate this into next year's homeschool. I'm positive we are. The Usborne Art Treasury, Pictures, Paintings, and Projects by Rosie Dickens. How cool is this? So I'm going to show you. You can just take a look inside. And if you want to know more about these books, let me know and I will do a video. But I'm going to incorporate this for art for 5th grade. All right. So the next book is, and we're going to probably, incorporate this now or on a regular, Usborne's Illustrated Elementary Math Dictionary. I thought this would be perfect addition to our homeschool. Has all kinds of things, math, you name it, it's in this book. This book is going to be cool. And I'm probably going to do a flip through of this book too, just because I'm excited about it. Last but not least, because I'm going to be honest, not that I'm not honest, but I'm going to be honest. I'm going to say that Shakespeare was never like one of my favorite things. When I got to high school, I wasn't loving it. I don't want Hope to feel that way. Because maybe it was the presentation. Like maybe it wasn't Shakespeare. Maybe it was the presentation, right? So I grabbed the Usborne Complete Shakespeare, Stories from All of the Plays, illustrated by Maria Sardukan. And I'm excited about this book. Oh, listen to that. The cracking open of a new book. Okay. But look, there's all kinds of stories in here. And I'm going to share this book too because I'm excited about it. Because I want to change my perspective. I don't want to dislike Shakespeare. Okay, everyone, there you have it. My Usborne book unboxing. All these wonderful, lovely books. And like I said, I'm going to be sure to share a flip through of a couple of these books. probably like 3 of them. The Shakespeare book for sure, the math dictionary book, and the art book. So take care, God bless, and I'm going to talk to you again soon.